I forgot to strap it down.
Allowed to use it?
No. It's,
what if you're on fire?
Fuck it, let me burn. I'm gonna taste like hot dogs.
Countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. There, we're giving the customary hello. Coming in saying, I want to be part of the action too. Oh, another big hit by 28. There's lots of sheet metal on the there right now in the car park. down to 2 cars, 355B and 28 here this afternoon in this junk car heat. And we might be down to 1, I'm not sure here. 355B's trying awful hard to finish off 28. Hit him again, there we go.